What's going on, everybody? Today we are checking out one of the coolest laser levels that I have ever seen. It's from xCool. It comes with a number of neat gadgets here which we'll demonstrate and use, but most importantly is the self-suction feature that this laser level has, which most of them don't. This section of the laser level will actually vacuum suck and adhere to the wall or to pretty much anything in order to give you a perfect horizontal or vertical level. And it's really easy to use, which I love as well. To turn it on, we're simply going to turn on the power button here. We're going to push it one time. That gets you the battery indication here. If we push it and hold it, that turns the level on. And then if we press it 2 times, that will actually begin the motor to have it suctioned to whatever it is that you're working with. In order for it to stop, you simply hit the stop button here, and then it's done. It also comes with a really neat dust collector, which simply slides onto the top, and then you can see it's got bristles on both sides, so when you're drilling something, all your drywall dust or your wood dust simply collects in here, and then you open it up and throw it away. And to take the dust collector off, we're just going to hold the release button here and slide it up. It also comes with the USB charger, which I love because there's no batteries, which just makes for such an easier process. Now, this is a laser level stand, so after you get this suctioned to the wall, what you can do is you can slide this on, and if you have a different laser level, you can fix it to the top here, and you can get an additional vertical or horizontal line to ensure complete accuracy. So just another cool feature of a very simple to use laser level. So let's go through a few uses with this thing and see if it makes sense for the everyday homeowner.
So for starters, it works as a traditional level.
Now, if you need to use the laser function of it for any reason, what you're going to do is press the power button one time to turn it on. You can see we've got full battery. Press it again for a long hold. That'll turn the laser on. Now we're simply going to make sure that the horizontal bubble is in the middle. And now we can see that we've got a perfectly level frame. Now, maybe your painting or your picture frame is a little bit further down the wall and you don't have the ability to stand here holding it and adjusting it. What you can do is tap the power button 2 times and it will suction to the wall. At this time, you can also see this is how much suction power that you have left. So this will eventually begin to die down. However, it gives you plenty of time to go where you need to go and adjust. Now, to stop the suction or to take it off the wall, you're simply going to take the stop button on top, press it 1 time, and remove it. Let's test out the dust collection feature. Most of it has been caught in the dust collection. It also works great for things like installing your TV mount, diagonal decorations, and anything vertical such as posts. And these were the basic functions of this laser level. I hope you find it as awesome as I did. It's super user-friendly, and it's awesome for any DIYer or homeowner, just for pretty much any day, everyday use. So look forward to being a resource. Give me a shout anytime with questions or concerns.